You want to go wake up your brother?
Yeah.
What are you going to say when you wake him up?
I see Donna to do it.
All right. Wait, stay here. I'm going to go wake him up. Yep.
Can I open the gate?
Nope. I'm going to leave you here.
No! Daddy,
Okay, here.
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
I'm going to wake him up first.
No! We got pissed. No! I'm going to... Oh, he got pissed. It's still awake.
You got to wake him up.